Before we begin, we would like to make it known that the University of Massachusetts Amherst acknowledges that it was founded and built on the unceded homelands of the Pecumtuck Nation on the land of the Roni community. We begin with gratitude for nearby waters and lands, and we recognize that these lands and waters as important relations with which we are all interconnected and depend on to sustain life and well-being.
For our project, we worked with the Hitchcock Center. Founded in 1962 as a summer camp for low-income children, the center's programs expanded to provide not just for children, but schools and local communities as well. It is housed in a living building, which was unfortunately closed when we visited, which has a net positive carbon footprint and boasts extensive grounds with native plants, a rainwater harvesting system, and 60 kilowatt solar array, enough energy to power 600 light bulbs. According to its website, the center aims to foster greater awareness and understanding of our environment and develop environmentally literate citizens. We resonated with this message because we believe environmental education is important and wanted to have a part in helping such an amazing organization succeed. Our project was to transform an overgrown area with 2 logs into a learning space for kids to study and learn about the decomposition of logs, making them a great use of space and visually appealing.
Our involvement in the Hitchcock Center project was not merely about gardening. It was about cultivating a deeper connection between our community and the environment. As we clear the soil, we are making the soil better for the seeds of education, sustainability, and community resilience. The Hitchcock Center serves as an educational center. Through our volunteer work, we aim to support the center's mission of promoting environmental literacy and sustainability. This project matters because it goes beyond the act of gardening. It's about nurturing a space where individuals of all ages can learn, appreciate, and engage with the ecosystems that sustain us.
Civic engagement is when citizens actively participate in the shared responsibility in shaping the mechanisms that make up society. It can take various forms, including voting in elections, volunteering for community projects, participating in public forums, and staying informed about current events. However, most importantly, civic engagement goes beyond mere involvement, and it embodies a sense of responsibility, awareness, and commitment to the common good. When individuals actively engage in civic activities, they contribute to the development and maintenance of a vibrant society, which ensures that the diverse voices within a community are heard.
Our experience volunteering at the Hitchcock Center has been nothing short of transformative. Nurturing a garden that serves as a focal point for environmental education has been immensely fulfilling. The tangible impact of our efforts became evident as the garden flourished, but the intangible rewards were just as significant. Volunteering our time and energy proved to be exceptionally rewarding. Environmental leadership plays a pivotal role in natural resource conservation and by taking an active role in educating and engaging the community. Leadership fosters a greater understanding of the delicate balance between human activities and the natural world. If everyone volunteered more, the world would undoubtedly be different. Positive change often starts at the grassroots level, and each act of volunteering, no matter how small, contributes to a larger tapestry of positive impact.